In this morning's Health Watch, getting a second opinion. The Wall Street Journal brought this life or death subject to our attention recently. And the question is, what if your doctor makes the wrong diagnosis?
Medical contributor Dr. Holly Phillips is here with some important advice. Good morning. So most doctors will say it's okay to seek a second opinion, but it can be kind of uncomfortable for the patient. So how do I go about doing it?
You know what, Erica? The way you do it is you tell your doctor, I want a second opinion. Again, any doctor that balks at that or has a problem with you getting a second opinion isn't the doctor for you. You know, I always like to remind people, we in medicine as doctors are always getting second opinions on ourselves. We call it curbsiding. You know, I have all these doctors in my Rolodex, you know, on speed dial, who I'll just pick up the phone and ask them a question if I have, you know, a difficult patient or difficult diagnosis. My friend Bill, a neuroradiologist up at Mass General, he picks up my phone call like this. You again? You know, he wants to be on my payroll.
No, that's a good friend to have. But,
yeah,
you know, it sounds easy to say, get a second opinion, which I did recently for my daughter who needed knee surgery, and even told the doctor I'm getting a second opinion. We made the decision, Holly, to go with somebody else, and that guy was ticked. And it was really awkward when we had to say, listen, we're going to go in another direction. So once you make the decision, what's the best way to do it? Because it sounds good to say, yeah, they want you to do it, but when you go to tell them, awkward, he was not happy.
Well, most doctors really, there's nothing you can do to soften that blow. But, you know, you just need to deal with it. It's part of the business. And also, when you want to get your second opinion, your first doctor really should be your advocate. They can help you find the right person for that second opinion.
He started out as the advocate. Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Well, you know what? Then that's just his problem. There's nothing that you, as the patient, you know, need to do to apologize for that.
And doctors encourage you to, they want you to get a second opinion.
Very much so. And also, they can help you get insurance to pay for it. Insurance doesn't always want to pay for a second opinion.
That can be very important, especially these days. Dr. Holly Phillips, always nice to see you. Thank you.
Great to be here.